Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick Desi Ghee updated. Start by melting unsalted butter in a heavy pan on low heat and keep the flame steady. Skim foam as it appears and watch for the milk solids to brown lightly at the bottom. Pour the clear golden fat through a fine mesh or cheesecloth into a clean jar, then cool and seal for storage. Bring butter to a gentle simmer and keep the temperature low to avoid burning the milk solids and ruining flavor. For 2 cups of butter, expect about 20 to 40 minutes, depending on your stove and pan thickness. Watch the color shift to clear golden and listen for a softer sizzling sound as moisture evaporates. Once the solids turn light brown and the aroma is nutty, strain immediately into a clean container. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: consider leak-proof meal prep containers to store or transport your ghee jars without messy spills. They are a kitchen lifesaver. They stack neatly, save space, and make gifting homemade ghee simple and tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Allow ghee to cool slightly before sealing to avoid condensation inside the jar, and always use dry utensils when scooping. At room temperature in a cool, dark cupboard, ghee can keep for several months. Refrigeration extends shelf life further. Use Desi Ghee for high-heat frying, finishing dal, or brushing on rotis for extra aroma. Its high smoke point and rich flavor make it a versatile staple in everyday cooking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.